Hello, Ismet is here, and I'm presenting here my project of ASP.NET Secure Web Form application using membership services as a requirement for my rich client internet application class. And let's see requirements first. To earn C grade here, I'm supposed to create a directory maintaining pages that are secured with form authentication and create appropriate web configuration files to accomplish that. Also set up database, ASP.NET database in SQL Server, and using configuration tool create at least 2 users to test it and create a login ASP page. So let's start from beginning. Let's see here. I want to make a little bit more space here. So I created this admin folder to be protected, and as you can see, this admin folder has this web configuration file, and this file says that in authorization element only those who are in roles of administrator can see these pages. Everybody else is denied. And I also have another folder called employees. I'm sorry, and it also has web configuration file with the same element, which allows the roles of employees to see these pages. And the last one is users folder here, which has a web configuration file that denies everybody who is not logged in. So let's see our requirements again. I covered these first two. Now we have to see my ASP.NET database, 2 users, and login page. So in my SQL Server, I have created this ASP.NET database through the wizard, which is connected to my application, and here are all tables that are actually self-created. And in my website tab and ASP.NET configuration, we can see in security tab, we can see here I have 10 existing users and 2 roles. And we can see here, let's see, this user Amy has no any roles, but I'm pretty sure this guy here has, yes, he has administrator role. And I also know, let's see down there, that somebody like Jake, oh no, he doesn't have. This guy here is supposed to, yes, he has employees role. So I show that, and let's see now. Here is my login page. Just a second. Yes. Here's this login page that I created for this purpose. So that was a requirement for grade of C, and I'm sorry, I have to log in here again, so I'll just pause here. Okay, I'm back. Let's see requirements to earn the grade of B. So for this purpose, we have to use the login name control to display the name of currently logged in user, and display currently logged in user without using the login name control also create information, profile information for user. Let's go one by one. So to show login name control, I have to go to my masters page. In my master page, I actually have login view control right here, and inside that login view control I have login name control, as you can see, which will greet the user if he or she is logged in. In the case we have anonymous user, we're gonna have this welcome guest message, and also showing here, while I'm here, I'm showing this login status control. So let's see how it's actually functioning. And see, I'm logged in here as IPA, and my login name control showing that here. Let's see if I would log in as somebody else. Let's say I remember I have Jake over there. And here is Jake. So that's to show login name control, and I also showed 2 or 3, I don't know, other login controls that I used for a grade A, but I'll show them again probably. And here I'm showing that I can show the username without using login name control. So first we have to create a profile common object, and then from that object I'm taking username and displaying it in this label here. And if we go to this page, actually here you'll see Jake is the one who is logged in. And let's see other requirements here. So I showed this and this, create information for user, profile information for user, and display information of current user. Let's try to show that. I used this create user page here to create a new user, and actually I use this create user wizard as another login control, and from this page I'm going to be redirected to the page that asks for additional things that creates user profile. And let's see how that works. Oops. Okay, here's the create user wizard, and let's create Dave, I guess, and make a password for him. As everybody else, here Dave is in RTC, and we'll create a user, and the user is created, but it's asking me for these other information that are specified in my web configuration file as properties of profile. So the first name was David, and the last name, let's say Rico, and street address, whatever. And let's say Dave has a phone. I'm gonna register him. Profile was successfully created. Let's check. Do we have a profile on Dave here in our database? Oops. So property values are here, and we can see David Reed, who was just created. Let's see next requirements here. The next requirement to earn B is create profile information for user. I just did that. Display information of current user and create. Okay. So in order to display and edit current user, let's see this guy here. So we currently have David logged in, and here are David's information, and here we can edit David's profile. So let's say he doesn't live in Seattle anymore, but in Renton. That would be enough. So let's go to the database and refresh to see if we change the data in his profile. So in tables and profiles, let's see, David lives in Renton now. As you can see, I just edited his profile. And next requirement. Oh, I'm done with B. So and next requirements for grade A. I already incorporated this create user wizard and login status and login view control. So this is done. These two utilize built-in methods of membership classes and programmatically add users to roles. I did together. So let's see. In this page, I'm using membership get user method to programmatically add roles to users. If I open this, and if I try to log in as Dave, who is not an administrator, it's not going to let me in. So, but if I log in as Ipe, who is administrator, I'll see this page where I can add a role to the user. If I enter Dino here, who has any roles assigned yet as an employee, and assign a role to him, and then I can see here Dino has a role as an employee. I already showed that my administrator role security functioning. So let's see if in this employees folder, if I try to open this page, and since Ipe is not an employee, and we just added Dino to employees, we'll try to log in as Dino, and here we go to that page that's supposed to be reservations. And I guess I've done all of these requirements. Hopefully I get a grade of A. Everybody have a good day then. I was running out of time.